So looking at the euro yen, remember the dollar, the euro is strong, the yen is quasi or semi strong. And now if you look at this chart, we have our structure point is the 113.60, and for the last 3 days it's been attempting to break above the 113.60, and it turns back and failed. Second time it failed. Now this was on Friday, and it closed the week right above 24 pips above the structure point. Now if you look during the intraday, even on Friday I took it when it broke the first time above the 113.60, and it just turned around and I had to close it. This, guys, if you remember, again, I had to leave, but this is the strongest buy signal that you have, Matthew and Jackie, and you see that is the buy we took, came down. That now that is the big buy, and it, in addition to that, it's above the 113.60. So the euro yen is quite a big candidate for us on Monday or Sunday night, tomorrow night. And our stop, it's an easy trade. Our stop is below the structure, so we will buy it, let's say above the high of the day is of 113.90. So our buy is 113.90, and we're going to place the stop below 113.60, below the structural point, and it is also the structural short in this case. And I'm going to find the structure. The shorting point is the 113.60 because it's a structure and it's sitting there, so we don't need to waste time. Let me see the structure point again, the next structure point to the upside. Wow. Well, there is one here. That would be a major, a biggie. The 115.63. So we have now, or we should have now, at least a couple of hundred pips from here till it gets to the 115.63. So that should be quite a decent trade for us. So the structural point is the 115.60, and if we go short below 113.60, that is going to be our stop on the upside. So our buying point, we need to buy it as soon as, so we're going to buy the euro yen above 113.90. We are going to place our stop below 113.60. The 113.60 is our short point, is our structural point, and is our long and short stop. And we have a structural long again above the 115.60. So staying above the 113.90, we need to give it room, we need to give it space to work, we need to give it space to resolve itself. See how long it takes, guys, to work above the 113.60. It took 4 days to resolve itself above the 113.60. So let's give it some time until it gets, as long as it's sitting above the 113.60, let's give it room to stay there. Okay? All right. That is the euro yen.